it's weird. It's almost like the ocean, right? You can expect the tide to come in and you can expect it to go out. Don't know how it does it, but it does it. It's like the phones. They just keep ringing, the doors keep breaking. You don't got to sit and worry about it because it's still going to happen. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
I'm here.
How are you?
Yeah, how are you? Yeah. Doesn't sound good.
No,
Did something hit the cover?
not to my knowledge. So I have a nice repair guy over here that's helping fix it. But I'm right back.
This screw right here, it used to go all the way through the back and you can tighten up the clutch, but this screw mounts to where the motor turns. Let me try to service it and do some other things to it. But even going up, it sounds like the clutch is slipping. It's in here. When it hits something, the clutch slips and it tells it to go the other way. I can adjust the clutch, do some other things. If that thing's not broken there, which I don't think it is because it's working, it's just not, you gotta hold it there to keep it on. Because it wants to open up again because of that reverse thing in there. Because once you let go, it opens again. So it thinks it's hitting something.
Got it.
So I should be able to make it work.
Cool.
And I just gotta adjust a bunch of things. Okay, no problem. I gotta break this one off. See the cable in there? I'm afraid. Hello, can I help you?
Hey, I'm one of your students.
How you doing?
I had a question. You told me where to buy springs and all that, and that's been working out great. I'll try that. I appreciate it, man.
Okay, thanks. Okay, bye. Okay, I had to break one of those off. This is gonna come off. Everything's painted on this one, so we're gonna have to just work with it. What I'm gonna do here, okay, and now I just close the door. Before I take the tension off, I'm gonna clamp a vice strip on this cable. Not hard. And then I'm gonna pull this up like this. See, that's gonna put slack in the cable and this cable. See, now these have slack in them. See? But this one over here, even though it's got slack, the weight of this thing is keeping that cable on, right? So, there it is. I changed that cable. Here's the old cable. It's right here. See how it's all frayed? I didn't come here for this, but look at that. But I turned up the sensitivity. I took the cover off on the opener and I just turned up the dials. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a few little spots that it's starting to look like, you know, it's fraying, but I already warned her about it, so there it goes. Anyway, not bad for 25 minutes. I'm basically done here. Look at that view. Okay, this is what they got there, $468 for one cable. And now we're off to the next one. I'm driving away from the job now. Just ask yourself, how long would it take you to make $468 to actually get paid? Like, I'm already paid almost $500. I don't have to wait, I'm already paid. Look at that guy building a house down there. Look at that, I don't know if you can see it. Cool house, it's gonna be looking out at the bay there. So, I've been telling you guys this for the now, what is it, 3-4 years? If you learn this trade, believe me, you'll get focused on this because you'll get into it. When people start knowing that you do garage doors, it just out of nowhere, you'll start getting all these people that you never even heard of calling you. I know you don't think it's possible, but it's weird. It's almost like the ocean, right? You can expect the tide to come in and you can expect it to go out. Don't know how it does it, but it does it. It's like the phones. They just keep ringing, the doors keep breaking. You don't got to sit and worry about it because it's still going to happen. So all I'm doing is telling you guys an incredible trade. You don't work hard. You don't sweat. You know, you bend over and you pick up a tool. You do that, so it's actually good for you. And then you get to go eat some good food, you know, with no guilt and order the best sandwich on the menu. Big deal if it costs 25 bucks, 30 bucks. Who cares? I mean, look how much money you just made for 20 minutes. You think you're gonna care what something costs? So that's how you look at everything in life. We just had a guy sign up. I don't know if I've told you guys this, but it wasn't even the third week of him doing it. And he said he's at 27,000. And that's just starting. And then he said he's still got over a week left. He has calls already lined up. So he's gonna be 40,000 for sure on his first month of doing this. If you wanna be that way, you gotta do it. whatever you do, whatever business you get into, you're going to have to do something. I'm telling you, this business doesn't have that much. I can tell you how to work right out of your truck with your cell phone, walking around getting calls. It's an easy business to run, and you don't have to pay anyone if you do it yourself. If you want to get bigger and advertise more, then you can start hiring people and putting them in trucks, and you don't even have to work. They're all out making you money. You can hire somebody to answer the phones and they just dispatch them, and your bank is getting filled up with money. You can work towards that, but I actually did it that way for years, and now I'm back in a truck. I can't believe I ever gave this up. It's so relaxing. I have so much free time. I don't have to pay any of that payroll or all the other stuff that I had to pay before. So anyway, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Go there, get signed up. You could do whatever else you're doing now, but you'll see you'll gradually get into this and you won't want to do what you're doing at all ever. I promise you. All right, talk at you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.